Another leak points towards 120Hz ProMotion displays for the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max has been surfaced online. Well-known leaker Ice Universe has now reaffirmed earlier rumors that claimed the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max will come with 120Hz refresh displays. Earlier, it was reported that while the hardware of the two devices does support a high refresh rate, the final decision would be made based on its effects on battery life. Given Ice Universe's track record, we are inclined to believe that Apple has indeed decided to take the plunge. This year, Apple might release 4 OLED iPhone 12 models. The higher-end variants, the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max, are tipped to offer twice the refresh rate of current iPhones. Apple calls its 120Hz screens ProMotion displays, and they are already there on the newer iPad Pro models. Some Android phones already support 90Hz and 120Hz display rates, but Apple's implementation could be a little different. The refresh rate on the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max will likely be adaptive, which means it will dynamically change based on the content being displayed. So, for instance, it will go from 60Hz to 120Hz when a user is scrolling and go down when static content is being viewed. This would conserve battery life, which is a major concern with phones that offer a high refresh rate. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will likely have an upper hand when it comes to preserving battery life because of the LTPO tech, which would allow for variable switching. This means the screen will operate at 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max will probably only be able to switch between 60 Hz and 120 Hz. So, to ensure that the higher-end iPhone 12 models are able to keep up with the ProMotion display and 5G, Apple is expected to equip them with bigger batteries. The iPhone 12 Pro will likely have a 4400 mAh cell inside, which is around 500 mAh more than the battery in the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Additionally, the Pro models will likely support 10-bit color depth, which means they will be able to display more than 1 billion colors. For comparison, the 8-bit screen on the iPhone 11 Pro supports 16.7 million colors. The 5.4-inch iPhone 12 and the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max will likely stick with 60Hz screens. The Pro variants are expected to have a stainless steel body, 6 GB of RAM, and a triple camera system with a lighter depth sensor. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Max, on the other hand, will likely have an aluminum design, 4 GB of RAM, and a dual camera setup. All 4 models will probably have the A14 Bionic under the hood, and they will be 5G ready. Additionally, Apple might also release 2 4G models, one of which might carry an LCD screen. So what you think of these design changes in upcoming iPhone 12 models? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And also please do consider subscribing my channel for latest update. Thanks for watching.